What if your marketing could work while you sleep and scale itself automatically? Too many teams are slow, expensive, and stuck doing repetitive tasks that waste time. Now imagine replacing that routine with smart AI agents that write, design, and market for you. Automated sales, non-stop lead generation, and content created instantly on demand. This is not theoretical. These are tools built to convert and generate revenue today, and it all runs on a single, all-in-one platform that never stops. AI agents that draft persuasive copy in seconds and optimize messaging for conversions. They design high-converting ads, social posts, and landing pages tailored to your brand voice. AI video and voice generators produce polished commercials and messages without costly production teams. Recordings, voiceovers, animated scenes all created automatically from simple text prompts. Everything adapts for platform-specific formats so your message converts everywhere instantly. That means faster campaigns, lower costs, and creative that actually sells. Automated funnels capture leads from ads, email, and social without manual follow-up. AI chatbots handle customer service questions and qualify leads around the clock. These bots can also negotiate book calls and even close deals with human-like accuracy. Set rules once and watch the system qualify leads, score them, and route top prospects to sales. No more missed opportunities or slow responses. Everything runs 24/7 reliably. That uptime turns simple traffic into consistent revenue without inflating headcount. Picture one dashboard controlling content, funnels, chatbots, and analytics in real time. Drag and drop workflows, automate campaigns, and AI agents execute every step for you. See live lead counts, conversion rates, and revenue predictions, updating every minute. Integrations connect your CRM, ad accounts, and calendars so data flows seamlessly. You get full control with less work and more predictable monthly revenue. And when you need support, AI employees assist your team instantly and intelligently. Businesses are cutting costs, launching faster, and increasing revenue using this AI system. This platform replaces tedious tasks, automates selling, and scales your business intelligently. Right now is the time to move from manual to automated revenue generation. Join brands who are making more with less and reclaim your time and profits. Hit the link below to sign up for free.